Corvette here. How beautiful is that? And the Bentley side. Beautiful. Then we got a Volkswagen Beetle. Look at interior seats as well, proper sporty. Big boombox in back. That is awesome. That. Wow.
It's a modern, isn't it? Modified.
That's beautiful.
60.
Also got Mercedes 250 CE. Beautiful. Left-hand drive as well, proper American. Almost looks like a Cadillac from this angle. So initially we was on our way to check out an abandoned building, and this was unexpected, and I had to see these cars and have a good look round, and they was friendly enough, the owners, even going to a point of taking the cover off the Mercedes and even opening the door so we could have a look inside, which truly is massively respected from doing that. But yeah, such amazing gems of classic cars, and even that yellow Corvette was a rarity to find. But yeah, big up to this garage allowing me to have a look around at these amazing cars, and hopefully they are restored and sold on eventually. But one good thing as well is they're keeping these under a little shelter canopy, and obviously they're covering them up. Obviously this Bentley definitely needs a good clean, but unlike the others, like, you can definitely tell, even with this Mercedes, the exterior and the interior just absolutely pristine. But yeah, they do look after them pretty well, which is always good to see that these classic cars are well kept and looked after and maintained, instead of just rusting away and rotting to decay. So yeah, we had quite a variety of cars there. The Mercedes 250 CE, the Corvette, the Volkswagen Beetle, and the Bentley 8. And you can definitely tell that they look after these cars. Like, obviously they've removed the hood on the Corvette. Again, yeah, I think the Corvette could do with a little bit of a clean up, but they're probably going to look under the bonnet, probably do it up, clean it up, and get ready to sell it on. Yeah, it'd make an absolute amazing car for somebody, that.